Hi, Taylor Dewey here. I'm going to take you through another tutorial of our great SafeSPEC desktop version, also available in mobile applications. Today we're going to deep dive into a product page, and I'm going to choose my personal favorite, Tyvek 400D. Once you select the garment you're looking for, you're going to get all the styles that we offer this in, including pants coverall and hooded coverall for Tyvek 400D. On this front page, you'll get images and a little bit of a 360 view of the garment, and you can get closer here so that you see the balance difference between the frontal protection of Tyvek 400 and then the additional comfort and breathability of ProShield 10 in the back. On this side, you also get the design and seam details, case quantity, sizes available, etc. So if you do decide to move forward with this purchase, you have the buy now section on this page. You can continue to scroll down. You'll see related products as well as additional features and product details. If you click on some of these additional options, you'll see more of a technical data sheet type of view where you get the dimensions of the garment as well. And you can even download our permeation guide that's going to show you all of our permeation data for all of our fabrics, including Tyvek. On here, you get additional test method and results. The unique view for this one, because it's Tyvek in the front and ProShield 10 in the back, you'll see both of those results listed here in this table. And lastly, as you scroll to the bottom, you'll have our catalog availabilities as well as our great product brochures that go into even more details on this garment in a printer-friendly format. Please continue to go to SafeSPEC.DuPont.com for more information as you look for your personal protection needs, and continue to follow us on YouTube for more tutorials just like this. Thank you.